Hey, do you have time for me this weekend? Great that you still stay with me on this channel. Yeah, and if you see this video for the very first time, you're right, because this is the very first video ever posted by this channel.
Welcome! Welcome everyone to the grand opening of
Yup Yup Yummy! And I, Toby, will accompany you throughout the videos and share with you tons of brilliant cooking ideas that you can make at home. Very simple, very quick, but of course, delicious. Today we will be cooking a very special meal, and guess what? It is fish sandwich! The ingredients you can find it below the description. And if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel because you can be the very first subscriber ever to this channel. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's start cooking!
First, before toasting the bread, we spread butter over one side of each bread. It will make a richer taste and crispier toast. Spread it evenly so that all the surface will be nicely crisp and brown. Here we use oven to toast the bread, but you can also use toaster at home. Prepare the fish. Choose the kind of fish that you like. To fry the fish, set the stove on medium heat. We prefer to fry the fish inside down to let it dry first. And be careful, don't let the fish burn. And then flip it over. Slice some onions. Onions will certainly add freshness and a bit spiciness into the sandwich. Oops, too much. Slice a fresh tomato. Make sure your tomato is still juicy and not dry. Our breads are nicely brown now and ready to take out. Put some lettuce. Put the fried fish. Add sliced onions as much as you like. Don't forget the tomatoes. This garlic sauce? We love it. It's almost never go wrong with anything. It has very rich taste. It is a perfect combination for this sandwich. Then tomato sauce and mustard to complete our recipe. We're done!
Okay, our fish sandwich is ready to eat, and we're going to try how delicious it is after very quick cooking. Okay, now let's try. See the crispiness of the bread? Wow. Look at it. Yeah, the sandwich is very crispy and the texture of the fish fillet is amazing. It's messy. I really very messy. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video after I finish my meal. Thank you. Bye bye.